together, speaking together, get married with each other now. But especially the old women and old men, Hmong culture, they cannot speak loud language. My culture also, the old women and old men, they always stay in the countryside. They don't know loud language. They know but just some word. They also have the own language, like hmoob language, like a Hmong language as well. Only the people that are living nearby the city, they can speak loud language. In the countryside, they cannot. When they see the tourists, they would like to practice with you, only smiling, and that's it. They cannot speak to all of you. Yeah. All right, now we follow her. She will show us how to make the Hmong clothes over there, and she will show us step by step what you do in the culture in the past until now. Okay. ขอบใจหลายๆ Everyone understand ขอบใจหลายๆ Yeah, thank you very much ขอบใจหลายๆ So this one is the tree bark, the bark from the tree. This one we call name. Yeah, the name of this one. They also make the Hmong clothes.
Chị nó nó thì cho mình cả nó là sai bé cho chút chi móng nữa bé lý chút chi móng chỉ nếu muốn đâu chán đâu giả đi cho mình cả nó nhìn nhiều là sai nữa.
So this one they spring it and they roll it. Yeah, this one they connect with the long string and they roll it like that. And after that they are boiling 4 to 5 hours. Yeah. When they are boiling finished, they clean with clean water, can be the white color like this. And they put inside the wood like that, and they make the baking handle cup. Can be the stuff color. If you would like to take picture, take photo, no problem. Please. And when they are put in baking handle cup, can be the scalp like this.
From the bark.
Yeah, from the bark. Yeah. This looks like a cotton, but not. Not cotton. See? Yeah. And feel so? Yeah. Usually, Hmong people they just take care of the captive chicken like that. They hang up. It's very high, right? And they want this chicken when they go to the forest. They want to connect with the wild chicken, somebody, and to connect to the wild chicken and they catch up the wild chicken. But can fighting. After fighting, they catch up. They don't want shooting, and they don't want. The chicken to die. Just take the captive chicken and fighting each other. They leave them free, and they catch up the wild chicken and come to take care of the house. Alright, please have a look this one. Long time ago, Hmong people they don't have rice. They don't have enough rice for eating. They also eat they mix with the grinding corn like this, the stone grinding corn, and they crack the corn for steam and mix with the stick rice for eating. Okay, if you would like to try, you can try. Please go, one person by one. You should try. You should get exercise first before go to swim and go see waterfall. I just ทดลองได้นะไม่เป็นไร Easy for you, right?
Yeah, for 2 minutes maybe,
Yeah.
not longer than that.
Look easy, but not easy, right?
Someone else wants to give it a go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. If someone wants to try, you can try and take pictures. Keep it for souvenir back to your country.
I'm not very strong. Say foundry more. Hard wood.
Not easy job, right? Hard work. Push and pull. Look easy now.
Sợ đơn chuyện đó. Bé đi suốt chi móng nè.
Okay, someone want to try? Please go.
Cho mình ca nó lại nhé là sẽ suốt chi móng chè là thiêu đi lò nè.
Okay. Okay, please.
I think it's
Alright. Someone want to do it again?
Chị
No?
nói cho
So
mình
this
ca.
one's long time ago. Hmong people, Hmong people, when they are living in
Chị nói
countryside,
bên móng
they
đi
don't
suốt
have
chi à.
electricity, they don't have machine. They also use the wooden mortar to powder the skin of the rice outside. Yeah, this one. They just make like this, like 1 or 2 hours can be finished. Not so easy.
And just one person doing it for 2 hours straight.
Yeah, they switch. Yeah. Sometimes if he's tired, he keep his wife and continue. They powder the skin of the rice outside first, and now it's not finished yet. They have to make it again until they have only the seed right, the white one, and they stop. All of this clothes here is the Hmong clothes they made by tree bark, by the hand. This one. If you would like to support the clothes, you can support the Hmong culture, no problem, up to you. But please come to here. Here we are shooting big animals. Sai hết rồi đó. Tây cản hết viên nằm lắc à? Tôi hiện chụp sai nhỉ?
บริหารการท่องเที่ยวนะครับ
โอ้แม่นป่ะ
แนวไปเรื่องรัฐ
พอแล้ว So now he will show us to see the Hmong people, even the men and women. They also know how to hunting the big animals. They use the bamboo wood gun like that, and they shooting the wild boar and wildlife by automatic. They just hide their body. It's the big bush here. They also know where is the trap. The big animals they go to bring and eat every day, and they just have a look the new tracks from the big animals. So this one is the arrow. He said they also put some medicine poisonous inside here. When they shooting to the body of the big animals, they can get die immediately. Like a 5 or 10 minutes, they can get die. When they get die, they just remove the poison outside. They know which part they can eat and which part they cannot eat. Okay, we can get food or not today? Yeah, we have food today.
Wow.
So this one they're shooting by hand. They're hunting the small wildlife, small animals like a bird, squirrel, rats. Yeah, you will see the shooting by hand. If you would like to try, you can try later. But we have to be quiet when we are walking to have a look to shooting the small animals. If we make the sound loudly, we cannot shooting them.
Cô tu làn này giờ tua.
Okay, the first I show and you can try later. Okay, your hand hold here. Yeah, cannot put my hand. And you put down this one.
Yeah. we get 2 big meals.
Okay.
Alright, somebody want to try? You can try, sir. Yes, please. Yeah, no problem. Coming, it's shooting.
Làm mà nhìn nhé.
Be careful.
Very tricky mong chắc lời nữa.
Nah, to sound the one thing. You expert by like this or like this? On the right hand side, on like this. You can take this one. Yeah. And this thing. You close one eye and one eye. You can have a look straight on the bird and this thing. Okay. Straight on the bird already. Yeah, nearly. Okay. Yes, no problem.
Thôi cái head for that. Yeah, man.
Easy.
Yeah. Okay, want to try?
Someone want to try? Yes, please come. One person by one. Which one? Which way you expert read to be on the right or on the left? Yeah.
Ừ.
Is looking for the bird. It's straight on. You can shoot it. Yeah, nearly dead.
Nước
Someone
tới.
want to try? Please come. Okay.
Đi từ nó từ nó. Giờ tôi cho dập bể ra nè.
Which one we expert? Which way? On the right and on the left? You can have a look with straight on here. You can do like this, you know, if you are not expert. You see the birds straight on here? Someone will try more? No? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now that.
Alright, please come to the Hamong house.
Okay.
Bên gì?
Please come inside everyone.
Để cho nó mát, chế nói cốt luôn.
The same in your country, right? The house. Same but different. So welcome to the traditional Hmong village, like a Hmong house. Yeah. So long time ago, the Hmong people they don't have plastic bottles. They also use the water tank, the full water tank like this, to collect the water, keep the water for drinking and cooking. Yeah, and eating. This one. So long time ago, they don't have the mental spoon. They also use the bamboo spoon.
Bé lì chú kỳ mong một chuối giả nữa.
They use
Một
the
chuối
bamboo spoon like this.
giả.
They just in the past and
Đàn
now.
bờ bì lô xin nè.
Everything we do the same. Hmong and Hmong culture. But now people they little bit.
Nó chắc mó léo nó. Mó léo cho mà khen nó. After grinding finish, you can then we wash get for me like this. Yeah. Cho mà khen như nào. Cho mà khen là choเอาเม็ดอ่อนมันไปเลี้ยงกินเนาะเราตัวเม็ดยาวที่จะ
Après, on va faire cuire à la vapeur.
Puis, bah, bah,
On mange comme du riz. Ouais.
Yeah, the small one take also inside the water you take plastic.
กิโลอัดจี
จะเป็นพวกตามพวกเปลือกแต่กี้มงจะบ่มีไฟฟ้าเนาะบ่มีไฟฟ้าเราจะใช้พวกนี้ต่างเข้าเนาะมันจะทำเก็บเกี่ยวแล้วจะเอามาตั้งแบบนี้ตั้งสักมื้อเนาะอยากจะเศร้าเนาะ30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes and winnowing or separate the mass out. จะมาฟัดเนาะฟัดเราจะทำที่กันรอบสองเนาะตอนนี้เราจะเอาทำที่รอบสอง
la deuxième fois pour enlever les graines vides.
Okay, this is a kilo or something. ลาบเป็นพออยู่ลาบเราจะไปปิดพอแล้วจะเอามาใส่กันจะไปตัดมันจะตัดอะไรใช้เองปลาแน่ตัวสามเมตรลายแทนเนี่ยให้มันมีสเต็ปby step พอเมตรeven if you got black color or red color and you check on right. Yeah. Right. Color. มาล่าสำเร็จเป็นก้อนเป็นอย่างนี้แล้วมันจะมาพันซนี่เนาะมาพันซนี่มันล่าเนาะพันซนี่มันได้ก่อนสั้นแน่สุดเลยเราจะเป็นต้มกับข้าวเนาะต้มประมาณมื้อนึงคืนนึงแล้วเราจะค่อยมาซักน้ำเราเป็นออกเป็นเทศที่เข้าตรงนี้เนาะ
để nói là chút chi bé mông đi nữa chút chi bé mông đi sao mày bố thấu y gì bé dân mua đi no mua chó đi no mua đi tên nó cho nó chơi tên món chơi chi đi tan trò xin nữa tên món chơi chi đi tan trò đi nó xin nữa xin đi bỏ tao bỏ chua nè rồi tiền nữa thì chỉ tao bỏ chua mà thì ba sai nè ba chậu của một sai nè lú đợt nó chè do lú tràn nặng lú bé mới cho nặng thâu nè nặng cho nặng bé nè chè bé muốn chút chè mua tàu bổ đi nó nè mua chua mua bột trà cầu già bổ đi nó nè bé máu nè nhớ lấy từ ô tô đi nói chè từ hai tia rong hàng đi nó chè tên nào chè do bé món lì chút chi tan cho chả xuôi giả xưa nè bé món chút chi lì bột trà cổ giả mà đâu tiếp theo đó chứ hành chắc hai tia cho nó chè thầu y bé xăm mày thầu y chè bé cứ trả đê ế thông nè bé mua lú thông mua lú chú mò sang khi nó dắt chụp bỏ lú chú thía tiệt xì lấy chỉ chụp bỏ và cho trả đê nó là nè chè này nó chè này cho bé cái chay mong bé đi chú chi mong thầu y nhà thiết gì cho nó cho uốn lò nó chè rong đi khó cũ mốt thay cho nó cho bé sẽ được bỏ nó em đấy sẽ được cho chậu cũ sẽ sấy cũ mù nó em hay thì họ thì chỉ cho chỉ rong mà chỉ này họ chọn đó chọn được kia cho cũ kia